How to delete account bio history on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. In this page, click on the profile icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in the profile tab, click on the three lines icon and select the option Your Activity. Scroll down in here and click on Account History. It is under How You Use Instagram. In here, you will see every change that you made in your account, so bio, username, messaging, and everything else. We can filter it by using the Update Type button here in the upper right corner area. So tap on that and select Bio. Click on Apply and here you will see your bio history. Now, unfortunately, there is no way to delete bio manually one by one. We can just do it all at once by clicking on the Clear All. After that, your bio history should now be deleted. So that is how to delete account bio history on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.